Honey, Mommy will help you.
Uh-oh, here she comes.
Go, Sydney.
Come on, Sydney.
Push.
Come on, push. Push.
Push.
Here you go. There you go. Almost. Whee! Put your hands up.
Put your hands up.
Put your hands up. Wow.
Go,
You can do it, Sydney. Okay. I'll throw it to you. I'll throw it to you. You just climb up there. I'll throw it to you. Nicholas, who's got his snow boots on? Let's see those snow boots. Wow.
He's ready to go for a walk. Bye, Nicholas. Go for a walk. Hey, who's going?
Okay, go by yourself.
Here we go.
Gotta push.
Push, Sydney.
There we go.
Put your feet up.
You gotta put your feet on.
Yeah, put your feet down.
Oh.
There they go.
Woohoo! There goes Parker.
Lean forward.
Come on, there you go, Sydney. Whee! Wow! We had a collision. He sees everybody having some
you would run
fun.
up here by yourself?
Wow, Parker, you go far.
Down he goes.
Whoops. Isn't the snow fun?
Whee!
There you go. You're almost doing it. Almost. Get your feet up. Woo, get them up, get them up. Get your feet up. You gotta get your feet up. There you go. Look at him laughing. Nicholas.
Get it. Get it.
What are they doing?
Snowballs.
Hi, Nick.
Uh-oh, somebody's throwing snowballs.
Mom, you made me a big water ball.
No.
Oh.